Hello guys, how to fix 0x80004005 unspecified error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix these issues, simply launch Windows settings, and in settings app under system settings go to troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and execute the Windows update troubleshooters. The next method is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and here run the sfc scan now command to check any corrupted file in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. Sometimes scanning your system resolve such type of unspecified error. If this method does not work, go to the next fixes, launch command prompt as administrator mode, and here execute DISM tools. Copy and paste here. These tools address will also available in my video's description. Execute one by one followed by enter key. The next method is open which folder you receive such type of error. Click on advanced, change owner name, name of the file folder, click on check names, and finally go to previous page, and finally click on apply and then OK button. The next way is go to Windows search, open system configuration, in system configuration window under general tab uncheck the option and apply and OK. Thereafter go to a startup tab, select all and disable all. Click on apply and OK button. The next fixes is go to Windows search, open Windows PowerShell as administrator mode, and here execute two commands. First cd command, enter your folder address, right click on it, choose properties, and here you will find the locations address of your folder. Copy it and paste after cd space folder name. Copy this and paste in PowerShell windows and press enter. Thereafter execute the second command, ren command, ren your folder name and rename your folder. Through PowerShell will also resolve your issue. That's all. If this method does not work, go to the next fixes, change your Microsoft account, change different account. Other users, in click on add account and enter a new email address and open a Microsoft account with new user's address. That's all.